Hello, Daddy Dak. Happy, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. Alam kong medyo mahigit ilang buwan din na medyo na ano ka na stress kasi gawa ngang na hospital ka, ah, nagkaroon ka ng problema. Kaya lakasan mo lang yung loob mo, Daddy Dak, at saka ah, maka-ano din tayo diyan, makaraos din tayo diyan kasi lahat naman tayo dumadaan diyan. Kaya, magmahalan kayo lagi ni Lalab Jean, ah, at 'wag mo rin yung pabayaan yung sarili niyong dalawa at sana masaya ka sa birthday mo, as a founder of TBS. Sana tuloy-tuloy yung mga pagkabaitan niyo. Alam ko minsan mayroong mga trials pero nandoon pa rin tayo, nandiyan pa rin tayo nagtulungan. Kasi umpisa pa lang sinabi ko na talaga na ah, pinakaano ko ang TBS, then LRS, then BWSMS. Kaya nandyan lang ako lagi sa inyo. Minsan, mawala ako pero hayaan nyo lang yun. Pero nandyan lang ako. Nagbasa-basa kasi hindi ako mahilig mag-chat-chat. Pero nandyan lang ako nagbabasa. Kaya sana sa birthday mo ma-enjoy. Din dahan-dahan din ikaw, nadapa na naman. Kaya dahan-dahan. Kasi alam mo naman yung ano natin ngayon, iba na, lalo na sabagay medyo ano ka pa naman, bata pa kayo ni Lalab Jean. Pero pag mag-up na tayo, mag-iba na talaga yung resistensya natin kasi ako, naranas ko talaga yan. Kaya ingat ka lagi din, lalo na sa trabaho, kayong dalawa ni Lalab Jean. Kaya mahal ko kayong dalawa ni Lalab Jean. Kaya minsan, malungkot nga din ako pag minsan may mga ano din kayong dalawa. Kaya nagme-message agad ako kay Lalab Jean. Lalab Jean, sabi ko ano, kinukumusta ko pero normal lang yan sa mag-asawa. Kaya happy happy birthday. Magmahalan kayong dalawa. Kung mainit ang isa, magpalamig yung isa. Yun nga yung sabi ng papa ko lagi, pag apo yung isa, tubig yung isa. Kaya ganun ang ano nyo lagi, para magtagal ang samahan. Happy happy birthday, Daddy Dak, my founder of TBSG. Maraming salamat. Kakanta muna ako ng happy birthday sa iyo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy Dak. Yun lang, ingat ka lagi. Happy happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ading EJ! I'm wishing you all the best of happiness, good health, lagi mong aalagaan ang sarili mo, at siyempre si Ading Jenny. Enjoy lang ang life natin dito sa SM. Maraming salamat at nakilala ko kayong dalawa. At salamat din at nandito ako sa grupo na ito. Enjoy your day, Ading ko. God bless you more. Happy, happy birthday.
Hey, Aling EJ! Ako'y bumabati ng maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Wishing you all the best, good health always, and many more birthdays to celebrate. I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you for everything. Alam niyo, sobrang thankful ako na nakilala ko kayo. You're the best. Kayong dalawang mag-asawa niya, Ading Jen, sobrang bait-bait niyo. Halos parang hindi ko mapantayan yung kabaitan niyo. Anyways, thank you so much sa inyong dalawa, ha. Ayan, magmahalan lang kayo. Huwag kayong mag-away. Toxic ang laging mag-away pag basta, magmahalan lang. Pero syempre, hindi naman natin naiiwasan naman sa mga ganyang bagay, diba? Pero normal lang nga. Pero basta, hanggat maaari, iwasan. Hey, love you both. Ading, enjoy your special day. Thank you so much for everything. God bless you. We love you. God bless. Good friends and true, from old friends and new. May good luck go with you and happiness too. Happy, happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy Duck. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy Duck ng TVSG. Wish you the best of everything. Good health, and ingat-ingat po lagi para iwas disgrasya. Sana ay lagi kang masaya sa piling ng iyong minamahal ng mamda. Diba? Basta happy lang, and sana ano man yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, matupad lahat. Ayan.
Hello sa aming napakabait at napaka-talented at of course napakagwapong founder ng TVSG. Happy, 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 happy birthday po, Daddy Doc AJ. God bless you more po. Stay happy and in love always. Good health of course. And sana marami pa kayong taon na pagsasamahan ni Mami Doc. God bless po. Enjoy your day today. Happy, happy, happy birthday. And it's your day today. Enjoy po. Thank you.
Hello. Happy birthday, Daddy Duck. I hope you have more birthdays to come. And good health. Always. Miss ka na namin, pati si Mami Duck. Miss na namin kayong parehas. Sana magkita-kita na tayo pag uwi yung dalawa. Huwag ka na magtago Nagtago ka last time kaya hindi ka namin nakita. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa munting celebration na hinanda ng Naughty Nose para sa'yo. At alam mo naman na mahal ko kayo parehas ni Mami Duck. Tsaka looking forward talaga ako na magkita-kita na tayo finally this coming year. Happy birthday again. Yan lang. Tsaka sana mag-iingat kayong palagi. Ikaw at tsaka si Mami Duck. Love you both.
Hi, DJ! Daddy Duck, happy birthday! Itong birthday wish ko sa'yo, napakasimple lang. Pasensya na kasi nasa work ako. Sana good health always. And I just want to thanks sa inyong dalawa ni Pretty Jen. Thank you so much sa pag-accept sa akin sa TBS Group. I really appreciate it. And itong importante sa lahat, sana magsama kayo ni Pretty Jean habang may buhay. Kasi deserve nyo, both of you. Happy, happy birthday and have a good one.
Hello, founder, Daddy Duck. Ayan ha, nakikidaddy rin ako. Great lang ako ng happy, happy birthday sa'yo. More blessings to come, good health, and advance happy Valentine's sa inyong dalawang mag-asawa. At always happy sa inyong dalawa. Thank you sa pagtanggap niyo sa ako sa TBSG. Kasi kung hindi niyo ako tinanggap, wala ako dito ngayon. na nag-greet sa inyo. Thank you so much sa inyong mag-asawa, CC Founder Jean. Thank you so much at sa lahat ng grupo. At sa kay Kamba na nagpasok sa akin. Thank you. And again, happy birthday. Always happy sa inyong dalawa. God bless. Thank you.
Ang mundo, iba't iba po kasi tayo ng oras. Sa akin gabi po kasi 9:30 in the evening. So, yun. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Sis Jen, si Founder Jen ng TVSG na yun, in-inbox ako para batiin si Daddy Da. Grabe, napaka swerte ko lagi pag ini-inbox ako niyan. Sobrang tuwa ko kasi sa lahat ng members nagagawa pa rin niyang makipag-coordinate sa karamihan sa atin. So, yun, napakaswerte natin sa kanila dalawa na founder at sa mga ibang admins na bumubuo rin ng TVSG na napakasisipag talaga. Kaya papasalamat ako at napabilang ako sa TVSG din talaga na nahiya ako talaga kasi hindi rin po ako talaga sa mga chat kahit sa Pam, sa Dude, hindi po ako kahit tuldok wala talaga, kaya nahiya talaga ako. So yun alam ko po maraming babati kay Daddy Duck ng happy birthday. So yun, best wishes po Daddy Duck, happiest birthday sa'yo. Then ang wish ko po, sana po mahaba-habang panahon pa po tayo magsasama, more years to celebrate, more candles to blow, and syempre ang pinakamahalaga yung health po natin, alagaan po natin, yan ang pinaka-importante. Tapos pasalamat po tayo sa buong may kapal at binigyan po tayo ulit ng panibagong buhay. So pasalamat po tayo. Tapos marami po sanang pagsasama sa TVSG na ginawa nyo po na grupo. Napaka swerte ko po at napabilang po ako doon at mababait po kayo. Talagang ini-inbox po ako ni Sis Jen sa dinami-dami rin po niyang ginagawa, pero nagagawa pa rin po niyang mag-inbox. Tulad niya po si Founder Ita ng LRS. Grabe, napaka-lucky ko talaga na kahit hindi ako talaga sa grupo is very supportive po kayo, pare-parehas. Yun, nagpapasalamat ako at na magandang grupo yung napasukan ko. So yun, again, happiest birthday po. Alam ko po marami pong babati sa inyo, Daddy Duck. So yun, happiest birthday. God bless po. God bless ating lahat. And sa lahat ng bumubuo ng TVSG, thank you so much din po. Sa mga February birthdays, binabati ko rin po kayo lahat. Yan. Thank you, Sis Jen. Love you.
Hi Daddy Duck, greetings coming from DJRNE family. Cheers to another year wiser and another year greater. May the good Lord grant everything that your heart desires. And of course, we wish you nothing but good health and happiness. We love you!
Ayun, ready na. Hello, magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Mga kapwa ko kaponkans, mga kapatiran natin. Ayan, mga sisikoys. Especially sa mga admins, founders and co-founders. Ayan, ang ating mga mababait na napakasipag na mga opisyales ng TVSG. Ayan, especially ang ating founder at co-founders, Nak Jen and Daddy Duck. Ayun. Babati na ako. Thank you, anak, for allowing me to greet naman sa ating pinakamamahal na Daddy Duck. Nak, happy birthday sa'yo. Pasensya na kayo kasi ngayon lang ako nagpakita. Ayun. Kasi marami akong inasikaso at saka maraming mga tinapos ko. Yun, thanks God. Ayun, no? Happy birthday, anak. Naway pagpalain ka pa, lalo ng iyong kalusugan, happiness, career. Yan sa inyong dalawa at sa iyong mga anak. Ayun. Happy birthday and more blessings to come, more birthdays to come. Ayan, Kaponkans, thank you so much, anak. Pasensya na talaga na hindi ako nakakasali. Alam mo na, pero nasa puso ko kayo. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. And thank you sa pangunawa at pagmamahal din ninyo sa akin. Ayun, Maraming salamat. Happy birthday, Nak. We love you and I love you. Alam niyo yan, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Mwah! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Daddy Dak! Thank you po sa inyong tahanan sa pagtanggap sa amin sa Verified Singer at merong The Verified Singer. Thank you po. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day and God bless!
Blessed happy birthday, Daddy Duck. May this special day brings you a big joy, happiness, and good health. God bless you always. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Pated! DJ EJ, aka Daddy Duck. Happy birthday! Nagpapasalamat po ako kasi nakilala ko kayong dalawa ni Mami Duck at naging kaibigan. Tunay naman pong napakabait ninyong mag-asawa. And I feel so blessed dahil sa mga support na binibigay niyo sa akin, hindi lang emotional, pati po sa group natin na Naughty Nose. Thank you so much. Wish ko po sa'yo ngayong birthday mo, maging maingat na sa kalusugan, ayan, para hindi ka napapagalitan at napapalo ni Mami Duck, lagot ka. Ayan, kailangan pong ingatan mo ang iyong sarili palagi, and more blessings to your family and sa inyong dalawa ni Mami Duck. Ayan, maraming salamat. So hindi ko na po hahabaan at ito ay inagaw ko lang na oras, charot. See you soon, Patid! Enjoy your day, happy birthday, and more power po sa inyong group na The Verified Singers Group. Ayan, maraming salamat po ulit. Happy birthday!
Hi, Daddy Dog. I wish you a very happy birthday on this special day of yours. May you spend your day with joy, laughter, happiness, with friends and relatives, and most especially with Mommy Duck. Wish you both happiness, joy, good health, and prosperity throughout the coming years. Love you both. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Daddy Duck! More birthdays to come, more blessings, more happiness, good health. Stay as you are. Thank you so much for being me here at TVS. Thank you to Mommy Duck also. Happy birthday. God bless you. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Thank you. Sana'y malasing mo kami. Thank you. Happy birthday again.
Yan. First of all, I want to greet Daddy Duck, aka DJ EJ, the co-founder of the TVS Kapongkans. Daddy Duck, happy birthday to you. More blessing to come, more years to celebrate with us. And thank you so much for everything you supported us, all the TVS member, giving us encouragement. Thank you so much. And to Mommy Duck also, to both of you. I'm wish ko sa'yo, Daddy Duck, is more good health for you at kay Mommy Duck. And then more blessing to come. And more happiness and joy only. Enjoy lang with us sa kakulitan namin at sa pagiging pasaway ng iyong mga member. So, thank you so much, Daddy Duck. May your day be blush at manggugulo kami dyan sa iyo. Kaya, watch out. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. Stay blessed. Stay handsome. Stay as you are also. A joker Daddy Duck, aka DJ EJ of TBS, the verified, ang gwapong verified na hubby ni Sis Jen. Happy birthday, Daddy Duck! Thank you so much! We love you!
Happy birthday, Daddy Duck! Today is your special day. I'm thankful to God for always keeping you safe. I'm not the best member of TBSG, but I will do my best. My only prayer for you, Daddy Duck, that God will continue to be blessed, guide, protect both of you ni Mommy Duck. And I wish you have a lifetime smile, good health, happiness, and love. Again, happy birthday, Daddy Duck, and God bless to all TVSG. Bye. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Daddy Duck. Happy birthday, Daddy Duck. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy Duck. May you have many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Daddy Duck. Wishing you joy, a good health, and God's grace. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagbibigay ng saya sa amin. God bless.
Sana ang awiting ito ay pakinggan sa puso ng mula at sa'yo'y inilaan upang bigyang daan ang iyong kaarawan na sa araw na ito'y ipinagdiriwang. Happy birthday to you. Sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy birthday to you. Nawa'y pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Hello, Daddy Duck. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in this year and more blessings to come and more candle to blow. Thank you so much for having me in your group. Hello, Mommy Duck. Thank you and God bless you all. Thank you.
Hi bro, Daddy Duck. Happy birthday. Wish you a good health, more birthdays to come. May all your dreams come true. Ayan, and to all birthday celebrant, happy birthday po sa inyong lahat.
It's your day, Daddy Duck. Happy and more birthdays to come. Wish you all the best. God bless you always and your family. Shout out TBS members. Love you all.
Hi, Daddy Duck. Happy birthday po. May you have many more birthdays to come. And thank you so much for being a good, kind, and humble founder of TVSG. At sana po ay magkaroon po kayo ng marami pang birthday at saka good health and blessings and more money. Wala akong masabi. Para maambagan lahat. Diba? Diba? Kasi ganyan si Mami Duck at saka si Daddy Duck, diba? Yung bunso ko dyan, masyadong mapagbigay. Kaya sana, lagi lang po kayong okay and then, lagi po kayong maayos at saka good health kasi yun talaga ang puhunan natin. At saka sana po ay biyayaan pa po kayo ng marami pa pong blessing sa buhay. At lagi po kayong mag-iingat ni Bunsoy. At sana po ay lagi kayong happy together. God bless sa inyong dalawa. Happy birthday, Daddy Duck. And thank you so much for being part of the TVSG.
happy birthday, our captain, Daddy Duck, DJ EJ, more birthdays to come, best of health, more wealth, wisdom, and many, many more years to come. Lumapit ka naman, 100 years. God bless us all.
Hi, Daddy Duck. Brother, happy birthday. More birthday to come. Sana marami pang taon na darating sa buhay mo at maraming taon pang ating pagsamahan dito sa TBS. Maraming salamat sa mga suporta at ayuda. Thank you so much at kabilang pa ako dito sa admin sa TBS. Sana po maraming mga event pa po yung magawaan natin at sa darating na panahon. Ipagpatuloy lang natin ang nasimulan. Happy birthday. More bliss to come. God bless.
Happy birthday po sa Daddy Duck ng The Verified Singer Group. I'm so proud to be one of your new member po ng group, and I wish you lots of happiness and continued success you deserve on this special day. Your leadership is second to none and so very inspirational po. May you be blessed with the courage and strength you require to continue performing your role as outstandingly as you do. Thank you po sa support, and you serve as an inspiration to all of us po sa TVS. Kahit bago pa lang po ako, I'm very thankful sa warm welcome, and yung mga members po, lalo na po si Sis Jen na founder, is very accommodating, at sa aking mga kaibigan po na nandyan sa TVS, si Super G at Cap Joyce at yung iba pa po. So nakaka-proud lang po na papabilang ako sa inyong group, at nagpapasalamat po ako na tinanggap niyo po ako open arms, sabi nga po. Kaya I wish you all the best in life, especially po happiness, long life, and syempre wag po kayo may stress sa amin. Just enjoy the app, Star Maker app, at most especially po, I wish you all the success in life, whether it is in SM or even in real life po. Maraming salamat po, and again, happy birthday po. May God bless you always. Thank you.
Hello sa birthday month today. Happiest birthday to you. Wishing you all the best, good health and happiness. And I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you at naging part ako ng iyong family, the TBS. Mami Da, thank you so much. Sana mag-enjoy ang araw mong ito. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Daddy Duck, from your JMG family. Good morning, yesterday. You wake up and time up slipped away, and suddenly it's hard to find the memories you've left behind. Remember? Do you remember? I wish you all the best that your heart desires, Daddy Duck. Kung mayroon ka mang gagawing major decision pertaining sa puso, gawin mo na ngayon sa buwan ng mga puso. But if it pertains to the decision coming from the brain, then hintayin mo October 26, araw ng mga utak. Nagbibiro lang ako dahil. Anyway, I have 3 wishes for you. 1 is good health. 2, good health. And 3, good health. Alam mo, napaka-importante ng ating pangangatawan. Let's enjoy life. Life is too short, Daddy Duck. Have that positive attitude to be happy every day. Hayaan natin yung results. Importante, we always enjoy the process and life. Again, I wish you and I always pray for your good health. And again, happy birthday. Collect the dreams you dream today. Remember, will you remember the times of your life?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Daddy Dap. First of all, gusto ko lang mag-thank you kasi napaka-warm na pagtanggap niyo sa akin sa TVSG at maging isang kapangkan. Of course, ang wish ko is to be always safe, happy, and pinaka-importante, healthy po tayo palagi. More blessings to come po, Daddy Dap. And sana lahat ng wishes niyo po ay matutupad. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan ni Mami Dap. Again, many more happy returns po. Love ko kayo ni Mami Dap. Bye!
Hello, Daddy Duck. This is your special day and I just want to wish you a happy birthday. Wish ko lang po sa iyo ay healthy body. Magpagaling ka po ng maayos para sa long life. Healthy family, healthy love life po. Alagaan mo rin po si Mami Duck. Ang bait-bait niyo po. Masaya ako na nakilala ko kayo sa group. Pasensya na po at hindi ako masyadong active kasi masyadong busy. Busy saan? Ayun lang, para makapagsalita naman ng iba. Gusto ko lang pong ma-wish ko po ikaw ng happy birthday at ayaw kong palikpasin po ito kahit hindi ako nagsasalita sa group. Bait-bait niyo po. Continue lang po. Sige, yun lang po para makapagsalita naman ng iba. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday. Tama ba yun? Bye-bye! Hello, Daddy Duck! Gumawa lang ako ng short video para lang mag-greet po kita at ayoko mong palampasin hindi kita mag-greet sa special day mo. Happy birthday po! Wish ko lang po ang good health, healthy body, healthy family, healthy love life. Alagaan mo po si Mami Duck. Ang pag-aalaga ng sarili mo ay parang naalagaan mo na rin si Mami Duck. Hindi mo siya pinag-aalala. Ayun na. Gusto ko lang mag-greet po ikaw. Kaya ako gumawa ng short video. At sinarado ko pa to para hindi nila marinig sa CCTV. Yun lang po. Happy birthday po again. Sana magkita po tayo. Sana may time po ako. Maka-off po ako sa birthday mo sa inyong bahay. Makapunta ulit sa inyo. Yan lang para naman makapagsalitang iba. Happy birthday again. Magpakabait na. Charot. Mabait na nga eh. Bye-bye!
Hello, happy birthday, Daddy Duck. May you have many happy returns of the day. Celebrate it with a big cheer with Mommy Duck. Hope you always keep yourself in sound health. I wish you happiness, love, and peace in your mind. And more years to come with TBS. Hope we can still sing together, all of us. We love you, and we've just been so lucky to have you as our founders in TBS. You're really well managing our group. Thank you so much, and again, happy birthday!
Hi everyone, belated Happy Chinese New Year and Happy Valentine's. You might be wondering who am I. I'm not Sanchai. Sanchai already is having a restful life. Okay, but we've known her in Mitchell Garden. Yes, it's known to all of us. But life, as it is, there's always an end. But now I'm here because it's also a life that we need to celebrate. The birthday of the great man and the great founder of TVSG, no other than Captain DJ AJ, or known also as Daddy Duck, with his better half, co-captain Jenny, known also as Mommy Duck. We've known each other for quite a long time already in TRF and TRL. Okay, and then couldn't remember that we had disagreements in that group. We just left because that happens. It happened, and then you have created this TVSG, and me recently created also my BWSMS. You are my inspiration why I created this. And since it's your birthday, I want to wish you more blessings, more happiness, more love. And of course, you will continue to serve, serve the group. And of course, you must have good health so that you can continue serving God's people through your job. I know you are a great worker, okay? And God is also a way maker, a great worker. I think that's all I could say. More blessings, more happiness, more love to spread. And may this day be filled with gladness, of course, with happiness with your loved ones. Though they are, I think, away from you physically, but I know you are with them in spirit and in heart, okay, and in mind. And we are high tech now. We can connect people around the globe. So once again, a very happy birthday to you, our great founder of TVSG. Though physically I'm not there anymore, but I can assure you that my heart, my mind, my spirit is still with the group because I am a verified singer. Bisag dili, maayo nga singer. Okay. BW SMS is just here for TVSG, and I hope TVSG will do the same to us. Thank you so much, the great couple of TVSG, the great founders, and happy Valentine's Day to all of us here in TVSG. Have a great day.
And happy birthday po, Daddy Duck! Happy birthday! Sending you all the love, happiness, and good vibes po. On your special day, may all your birthday wish come true. And stay healthy, stay sweet. God bless. And happy birthday, Daddy Duck!
Hey, Daddy Duck! Ayun, o, di ba may built-in microphone? Hulaan mo kung saan ko ni-record to. And anyway, it's your birthday today, 21st birthday. So, batang-bata, poging-pogi, sariwang-sariwa. Anyway, seriously speaking, thank you so much, Daddy Duck, for being one of our friends. Kayo ni Mommy Duck at si Bebe Luffy, na may ka-partner na ngayon si Princess Nami. I hope you enjoy your day. Have lots of fun. Keep on being happy. Have more success in life. Syempre in health. Ayan, kasama yan dapat lagi. And always keep the faith in everything you do. and everything will be okay. Diba? Ganun lang yun. Kaya, I know, mag-e-enjoy ka ngayon at pasensya na. Late ako sa pag-send ng video. But anyway, really, I hope you have a lot more birthdays to come. And sana we'll see you soon naman. Ikaw naman. Hindi si Mami Dak lang. Yan. Love you and happy birthday! Wala akong kutsilyo rito para yung itak ng duck mo eh. Para gagahin ko sana. Mama chup chup. Happy birthday.
Hello, Daddy Duck, it's me again. But this time, it's for you. First, I want to greet you happy birthday. And I want to thank you for all the help that you've given me and support that you've given us, to me, to Loves and our group. We're very thankful and very blessed to have you as our Daddy Duck here in SM. Ayan. What more can I ask for Daddy Duck? Career life is there, happiness, love life with Mommy Duck and my brother and sister Luffy and Nami. See you soon. And I guess I just want to wish you more happiness, good health, and more birthdays to come. Ayan. Stay amazing as you are, Daddy Duck. Stay cheerful as you are, and keep smiling. That's your asset, Daddy Duck. And see you soon. Enjoy your day.
Hello everyone! And sa pinakamalambing, ayan, to the loving and to the sweetest man on earth, to my one and only Daddy Duck, to my husband, happy birthday to you. Of course, I wish you all the best. Palagi po yan. Good health always. More birthdays to celebrate with us and with our kids and with our Luffy and baby Nami. Daddy, we love you so much and we really appreciate all you are doing for us, all your sacrifices, being a responsible father and husband. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you very much for loving us and for caring for us to the best you can. We are so grateful. We are so lucky to have you in our life. And we love you so much. I love you so much. I can't remember that. Though sometimes it doesn't show. You don't. It seems that you don't feel it, but I will always love you. Deep in my heart, I will always love you. Ikaw yung gusto kong kasama sa pagtanda. Ikaw lang. Alam mo po yan. Promise. And being our founder also, we are always thankful to you sa paggabay mo sa amin. Of course, in your good leadership towards us, towards our group. We appreciate that and we are so thank you so much, Daddy. The sweetest days I've Basta, all the best for all of us, for us. And stay humble, stay as you are. Stay the way you love us and you care for us. And basta, always remember that we love you so much. We care for you so much. Mommy Duck will always love you. Alam mo yan. Ikaw yung isa sa pinakapaborito ko, pinakamamahal kong tao sa buhay ko. I love you. Happy birthday. And I hope you made your day today. God bless us always. Happy birthday once again, Daddy.
I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before.